More Kakaibig ako. Pagkakauwi ako, iba. Ito yung Siasi. I respectfully say this to change VENISI's husband. Because we are here both sides. And I have to give opportunity for them. We are running until the church, until 9 o'clock. And 1 hour for them to get their farewell. Say, we love this wife. Pagbibilang ko ako, yan, lama ko yan, ipahiwa ako, kata Siasi, pero tamarawan, marawan,
kapita,
Good
Oh Kita uwa, okuta mautai. Anak gusto takain na ni Wen, kasi yung pa. Naging nga, gusto takain na ni Wen. Yahweh, umuwi na yun.
Halo, lantai. Paawa. Ano
Whakatula watu, ka tā moe ki te hina pē o e tahine ko VENISI ke ne whakakato atu pe whakatau kē atu ai toenga hou e taha koe ne ku tau mao i he pō koe ni ka māmai. Ki mua ia ko kore pē mua ke whakawhilo aki atu e ki te hina o VENISI ko atu fui kama hu hingo atu fui FONUA kama. Koe ki te hina pē au ko tuku pē whiawhini koe whai whatongia e tau ke te koe ni. Greetings everyone. Kia ora, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou. Firstly, I want to acknowledge the presence of our Heavenly Father who is with us here tonight. I acknowledge the presence of Shane's family who are here, who have traveled afar to join us to farewell VENISI tonight. I have some special acknowledgements that I would like to make, and I apologize on behalf of the family that we have not done that since the beginning of the program. I acknowledge the presence of the CEO of Instant Finance, Dion Jones. He may have left for the evening, but I sincerely apologize. As you all know, VENISI have worked for Instant Finance for over 14 years. Her life was her work. Her families, her friends were her colleagues. I acknowledge the presence of Lillian, and Tanya, who are the regional managers for in-state finance. Thank you for joining us tonight. I acknowledge the presence of Kumi, VENISI's manager, and I acknowledge the presence of VENISI's colleagues from in-state finance. On behalf of VENISI's family, I thank you all for joining us tonight. It means a lot that you have come to farewell our sister, our aunt, our daughter with us. We are grateful for your presence. I know that VENISI loved and enjoyed what she did. She has helped many families in her place of employment. Her work was her life, as you all know. And her work has helped many families with financial help throughout her years of employment in instant finance. For this part of the program, we only have 1 hour left. Between 9 and 10, I'm going to be inviting a few people to pay tribute. But before all of that, we must give the floor to Shane's family. So therefore, I would like to invite Pere, Shane's uncle, to come forward. If we have a waiata, if you want to pay tribute, this is your time. And after Shane's family, I will invite one member from VENISI's father's family, her Dalau family, her FONUA family. I will specifically invite VENISI's sister, Maile, to pay her tribute and share some memories of her sister VENISI. I would also give the floor to a representative from VENISI's mother's family, perhaps to Bo or one of VENISI's first cousins would share some memories of our dearly beloved sister VENISI. But before we continue, I give the floor and I invite Uncle Pere to come forward as the representative of Shane's family. Thank you.
Registration number KF79789. Please, please, thank you.
Ko whakatokanga tu pe ke tau kainga tonga, ko whakaamu ke marat melie ke kipet pe ke no pe, mirit pe nima kai lava hawhainga malie, ha toenga e whamili ke nau kau i he manatu melie e pōni. Ko e pō whakaosi pe no ki tau tolu e whamili, ko kore atu. Tau hi pe e taimi kai tuku hawhainga malie ke toenga e whamili. Uncle Perry, the floor is yours.
Okay, good. Ka tangi te titi, ka tangi te kaka, ka tangi hoki ki au. A ti he ua Māori aura. Ko te mihi tuatai ki runga, nā nei o ngā mea katoa. Ko ia te timata, ko ia te mutinga, nō reira. Taku mihi ki a koe a tātou kaihanga. E tino marike tū mai konei, ki te kori ki a koutou katoa. Nō reira, ko te mihi tuatai. Haere, kaore, Hawaii. Ko te mihi aroa nui, ki ngā whaiwhe ao, mō koutou karakia ki te timeta o tēnei pōporo aki mō tātou tamaiti e takoto mai nei. Kei a rātou, ai, ka mi kia koutou. Engari, e huri au I te reo tūrua. On behalf of my family and Shane's family, Shane's mum is my older sister, and I stand here on behalf of all of us who all sit down here. We are humbled to be here amongst yous. Hello? No? Can you hear me? Put your hands up if you can hear me.
Kore whamore mole atu, tau ki tu whakatai me whailoa ki he taimini kai whakahoko e polo kalama ki tau whanongo le lei kotoa ki ai mālo.
Yeah. Ai, ko pere tae re tuku ingoa, ko tani whāte maunga kouki anga te awa ko nā tuke matapauru te waka. Ko ngā puinu I tōre tiu I Ngāti Tautau I te apu. Ko otu reirei tuku marae. Ara, ka hare mai au ki te tautoko a te tangihana a tuku ina mutu a Shane. I tōna wahine rangatira ko VENISI. E mauri mai a mātou ngā te uri o ngā puhi I te taitukarau. E mau mai a mātou a tini mate a roi mata me ngā hupe. Ka heke ngā roi mata kei rotu I a tuku ngākau I te ngaro o a taku tamahine e takoto mai nei. Nō reira ki a koutou katoa. Tēnā humari au ki a tū mai konei, ki a kiti a koutou, ki a hakarongo ki tana ki ngā waiata, ki a kite nā aroha, ki tētahi, ki tētahi. Nā, mō te tūpāpaku I takoto mai nei. Aue. As I say, I'm so humbled to stand here amongst all of VENISI's family, friends, nieces, nephews, to hear you singing, and I brought a guitar. Oh my goodness. I sat there and listened in awe. I've talked to our puhi over here and found out a bit of why she's there. I talked to the Queenie sitting over there. Kore kauia, he kingi. Sorry, she doesn't need a king. But where I come from, on nights like this poroporo aki, ka tau mai tu wā me te kōrero ki aia. We're here, poroporo aki as Māori, and we talk to the tūpāpaku and to the families, and we share what we have shared and the times we have shared with VENISI. Some of them might be funny times, some of them might be sad times. But it's about, for us, it's our way of getting over the grief and to say our goodbyes until our pōpō, when we have that final nehu, and then she goes up to the urupā to be laid beside her father. And of course, some of us will tell, I'm not, because I don't know any funny stories or things like that about VENISI. All I know is that she fell in love with my nephew, or I think it might have been around the other way, he fell in love with her. But you saw up on the screen how beautiful they both looked, and she was the most gorgeous lady ever. And she brought a new culture into our Tāhere whānau and our MILNER whānau. And it was a beautiful one. She brought along her beautiful daughter. But there were some sad times there. E pai ana tēnā. But we have moved on, and we're here to celebrate and say goodbye to this lovely lady who lies here. So, yeah, to be honest, I know her for a short time, because when she was going out with my nephew, I was actually living in Timaru in the South Island, and only ever came back when things like this actually happened, which sometimes it's what we do. But in all the time that I've known VENISI, she was just like one of our family, and in actual fact she was. But she was just like, yeah, a ray of sunshine. So, VENISI, I thank you very much for what you have done for my nephew and for his family and for us as a whole family. You brought sunshine, you brought light. And I know you had your ups and your downs, but you always had a smile on your face and big ruby red lips.
Yes.
But it was a smile that was more infectious than anything else. I'm going to miss you, we're all going to miss you. So, yeah. You said not to do this, but I'm going to. Oh my, oh. No, every time we speak, we're going to do a waiata.
Yes, we can sing with you.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot of the times, when we do our pura wake, we don't, sometimes we just don't sing songs that we should. Sometimes we sing favourite songs, sometimes we sing sad songs, but no, we're just going to sing a Māori song.
Shane Halima.
They want to do another song.
Hang on. Please excuse me. I'm Shane's Auntie Elma. This is Auntie Elma. I'm their favourite auntie. I'll let you know. Since I met VENISI, she's been the apple of my eye. So has their beautiful daughter. And unfortunately, I didn't get to meet their son. They had their passed away. I practically brought Shane up. So, thanks to me, VENISI got a good man. And he got a lovely lady. But look, seriously, I'm not one to talk or speak. But I just want to say, I for one am going to miss VENISI. She meant the world to my 3 daughters. Where's one of them? Hello? Over here. And my other 2 that are in Australia, unfortunately, they couldn't make it back because of their work commitments. But they send all their love to VENISI, Lua, and the rest of the family, and to their brother, who was their brother Shane, and of course their sister Nella, and the other brother Philip, who passed away. And of course, I'm the biological mum, but their mum's Shane's mum. That's why we're so close. But yeah, seriously, VENISI is a beautiful lady. She done anything for anybody, and she always goes, I'm not Tongan, I'm a Maori girl. Shane's the Tongan. But anyway, thank you so much for having Shane in your family and for making us feel very comfortable. VENISI, I really am going to miss you and I love you. Rest in peace and may God bless you forever and ever. Thank you very much, everybody. Oh, I can't sing now. I'm too shy and I'm too... Sorry.
Kia ora, Uncle Peter and the family. Thank you for the beautiful waiata. I know that some of VENISI's colleagues, a lot of VENISI's colleagues are here. So I would like to give the opportunity for 2 people from VENISI's place of employment, Instant Finance, to have a share with us your memories of our beloved VENISI. It's very important that we give you the opportunity to pay your tribute because the whole evening is being conducted by the church. Now the church has finished. It's all our time now. It's our family now. our friends and families now get the opportunity to say their farewell. So I invite Instant Finance. I don't know who would like to pay tribute, but I'll give you the opportunity now. Following Instant Finance, I would like to invite MILNER, which is VENISI's sister MILNER, to say a few words, and we'll continue from there. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Queenie. I was VENISI's branch manager. We were based out in Instant Finance, Papakura. As I've just heard from Shane's family, I've known Nisi over 10 years. She was one of my main key point staff. She was a hard worker, a loving person, humble and kind, and she certainly was a straight shooter when it came to customers that would not listen. Nisi would put them in their place and they would pretty much follow everything Nisi said. For us, it's a very, very major loss because Nisi just had that light, that shine that just brought the whole team together. Her laughter, losing Nisi is really major. Not only was she my staff, but she was a dear friend that I've known over 10 years plus. She is one of the most kindest, loving, humble person and a trustworthy person that you could rely on each day when she was at work. Not just at work, but just out of social activities. We're going to miss her dearly. Just going to miss her laughter, just the way she growls our customers all the time, but also just the heart she had for everyone. We have a lot of her colleagues here tonight that have come and paid their respects. Also her regional manager, Lillian. As you said, our CEO was here to pay his respects. That's how important and how everyone respected Nisi. To my team, Monica and Sia, we are now only a team of 3 because we've lost Nisi. But we're going to continue to keep Nisi in our memories. But she's going to be dearly missed. We love her. God bless her. Taken too early, but you know, the way I look at it, Nisi's heart, she was everything to everyone. God bless.
My Lord.
Thank you to VENISI's manager in Instant Finance, Papakura, and thank you for representing her favorite place of work, which has been for 14 years. Please pass on our thanks and gratitude to your Chief Executive, because I know it means a lot for the CEO to be present here. It shows us as a family how important VENISI has been to Instant Finance. Thank you, and I thank you again. You mentioned about her laughter, her kindness, and dealing with difficult customers. You dearly missed her, and we will miss her daily. I echo the words that you mentioned, Kuni, the manager of VENISI. I know that there's only 3 of you now, but I know her memories will live in the office. And I know that you dearly missed her as much as we do. Thank you again. Now, go whakawhea, whakapofonga me he tawhaake whaea VENISI. Koe tau kete pēnio e. I invite representative for VENISI's mother's side, and I know that Lotalua's older sister MILNER is here, and I will give her the opportunity to pay her tribute and share memories about our dearly VENISI.
Ko ulat whakatap ke o tua, ko uhi ko whainga maari e whakako ofa, ko o mai mo tātoro i he pōni. I longa pē ai fefine ia, o ko whaka o ko ofa hono alonga, o ko tala pē hono olonga ngā i he pō o e tau whakamāra. Tō hui whamore more atu ka te koe. O whaka o vale au pito, ai te irea ia koe ni. Mo e mea hai koe kau vai vai, ke oua e whakaaho vai. Ko whanongo ko mai re si ka koe ni uhaam mai re vai vai. Ka neo ngoia te utarango fua ka kato pe ki he whatongia ko o mai, tu fui ka ke toki hanga o whaka pālangiang ki si kau mori e kurea, mo e kuloto fia ke tari whekau ki ho whekau he pōni. Ke whakamahino ke amanu ka whoa, ke I tauhi pe elo tolua e ne palo mesi. Toki ve teki pe a me he vani. E manu ka whoa, o whafofonga te whamiri o lo tolua me vai malo. Ki kolore ke reka, pau koe ke asi pokia he mape o wawao. Ka koe uhi, koe ki kolo pe ia, wha pe he angai tuu koe a eria. Ai viu e me whakaofa e talanoa ngahi mo ngā. Toi a tahi fo langi he tahi he pongi tuua ngā tau whai pa tau mo nini mo. Kai mi koe ko tawhi ai lolo. Vai malo pe o whaofa ta. Kai pe koe toa lo ia. Neo mo ai hau ai tahi me he loto ne afu. A koe fo I mala e ko loto vai malo ia asi mai ki ai. Tau ia I whoki mo e mauhala whakakawa he tai ni. Tō fui hanga o whakarea e kurea ke kau pālangi. Ko hibi ai mauhala whakakawa. E lotolua. Tai hano tatau o ulunganga au he tau nofo. Koe te hina ia koe ni. Si whakalongolongo pehe mea katoa. Pai teri ha pe whangi te hina I ki he pui mo tarau pui mo mea katoa. Ko au pe o ko hanga ko whakatonton mo tūwhui. Mana tui mau pe ko lo tolua au kulahi ko iau whai tūtuoni. Pea koe pōni, lo tolua ke hanga pe ke tau si whamiri ni we nau lama mai. Koe mahino ia e tau iho tau haangatai ho angarerei. Mo fai fatongi a whakaofa kai te ke toha mea taha matematea. A mea kau ni we lotolo o taolonga whakarere a filo. Mea koe kau hai malo ko ia ngahaha. Mea koe a ta mea ki wawa o po tala o peko whe. Koe mo oni koe whaia koe ni. Si ene mo oi pe ana e ke fia. Pea ku hape he pōni ne fai fatongi a lelei. Tō fui ko whakamatala tu hape fua e te ngāwe I hono fua hei kai ke fua lesi mai mere ni hei kai ke fua mai a pere intia hasi aine e fua mai pe o whakatatau I mea gona te tō Ko tolua ko whanau au ia wha ofa mea katoa Se nau whakalangi a VENISI ta e hano tatau. Si tō fefine koni. Hoko pea VENISI a tō foi e poni. Koe ki fo i matanga i lose ia. Ngau e ko alotolua. Ko mapaki e poni. Pena nei Filipe e a Shane Miller. Whamore whakatontono mai a. Milner. Handsome. Handsome Shane Milner. Yeah, that's her husband. Na o si mahino pea kia VENISI o fere a ika he tahi. Ika Tonga, ika Niue, ika Pala. Sa ia pea VENISI a fili ono o whangame kau tangata FONUA. Ono ika ike whanga ofa. Pea neongo pe ku taha tau. Kau ko tua pea. Ko loto ko e maahatu mo o whala. Whawheta ke e ki o mai whainga mare ko o silo pia ko o si taimi. Ka koe uhi pe ke u whakahai. A langi o ofa e o tua whai ma alotolua. Pa koe kutu o whakafofonga te si fine motua. E ne whakamalo. Tae hano tatau. Mo whaka apa ke whahu e poni ko kuini foke te mau family. Ana ere ake pe he Maori. Koe moni tau no wheta toro koe ko uhinga e ke kuini o Tonga mo Britania. Taki taha no fope hono api mono family. O ne ki princess. Pa uia mene kuini. Pa uia mene handsome. O ia koe ngahi umea ko tau uhinga ki ai. Lotolua. Whamaloa to lotolua. Kau mahi mau tolu katoa. Si fine mātoa whangatonga ane. Whanau alotolua. Ke kāinga kotoa pe, kāinga mano ka whoa. Kau Maori. Oh man, what a handsome man was here before me. Kai kehe, o ku whanga o ofa pe ia ko uhiko tau hin kau Maori. Love you all. Yeah, you miss. Is that man was here before I have a wife? No. I mean I'm a widow. Okay, I didn't make it up with that. O ilo kwa ko tau makeni, tau whapifia nunganga VENISI. Ai tala vono ki sino, pe mono ki urunganga mo ne mari. Me apango pe tu fui ko mau ai o mo. Me ako e whaitai o lunga nai asi mai ai pra fo ofa VENISI ka ko mau ofa la ya ko ku kainga niwe ke mweri bori mo ki mo tolu ka toa Tonga ka ma fo ki tau family niwe si ofa fai mai e ka inoke mo toenga tau fana pea ofa la ya ko mau family o mau tolu family kato fa fofonga mo si pelo tolua e kai ngata o faka ko ngata i kulea ta mai mi penimba ba bon ko osi o fala ya tu foi fa minute e ta ha pe ko kulea tu a e o fa ya ka mai ta ki ta alu Halo, mai.
Kamaloa tu maile. Ai whafonga mai te whaaki ai whae VENISI. She wanted me to say to you guys non-Tongan speakers, but the village that she's from has a bridge. So I know it's uncommon to have bridges in the island. So she wants me to tell you that where she comes from, there's a bridge. In the good old days, there was no bridge. So it's such okay. Ko le whamole atu. Ko matavalea pe fine motuani. Ke u whakawhei mai ai tau mua o VENISI. Ko lawe I pe na isi wholao mai kau waha mai alispeau me meo puane o fefine ko e tamai e mehikitanga o VENISI, pe kone whae u whahingoa ki ai a VENISI ka VENISLAHI. I'm going to give the opportunity now, sorry Maile, you have to wait. We're going to invite Alice Peau, the Fahu, who sits on the throne because she's the most important person in any Tongan funeral. And I apologize that we have managed to say our tribute before inviting her. So I'm going to give her a few minutes to pay tribute to her sister VENISI. She lives in Melbourne. She flew here when she heard the news that VENISI was very ill. We're very, very honored to have her here with us. So I will give her the floor. VENISI, Alice Peau, welcome.
Malo.
Okay, greetings everyone. I will keep this short. You know that I am the VENISI's favorite cousin from Melbourne. And as you can see, when I heard she was very sick, I left Melbourne. I didn't even know that she passed. But VENISI was always there for us. It doesn't matter what time we came to New Zealand. It doesn't matter which month we will come or what time. Like sometimes in the morning, she will come and pick us up. And I said, Nisi, you're working. And she said, doesn't matter, 2 hours is enough to sleep. I'm sorry, if she didn't perform on that day, she had to come and pick us up. And I just want to thank VENISI. She didn't wait for me because God called her before I get here. I just want to send my love to VENISI and send my love to everyone. Ofato.
Ko whape mo whatapu o more. E koe whalau goni ko whalau tō moi mai. A kou opate me whai koni VENISI. Hange koe mea koe utau whanong ke ai hirea. Tahaina anga le rei mon. Ko upanga tuai. A tāmua ke tāla, ai kōpua ke opat me heni, ki ala to lua.
Malo.
E whānau katoa. A more e whorau kua mai, nai hako e taula kā. Nako e mautoki au mai heni.
Malo.
Alo pe maua au mai, VENISI, tāla tuku ma ofa kia te koe mo i whanau. E ke te au, kirifi. Ia mo i whanau pe mo i whamiri. E koe kia kau whurau na mau mai, kai ki tala he ngoa. A more au whawhita I peki he o tua. I he tau le rei une whai o tau. He lua tala atua e o whalahi ai whaambilini. Kia te koe pia mo I whanau. Si e rea, a koe o whai e loto e moui.
Whawhita.
Ma wau mai e kia whini. Lua. Mōni rea ko tau lele mai mho tau. I whetu na tau mai me ai. Kai ngalo lua. Ai o whae a wau atu. Si e rea ai. o whaat ke kau whalau ko toa pē. Mo mai. Lua ko e tia, ko e ni watu ko wha mo e whamiri ko toa, ia te koe. Mai. Te whaingata o toa. O whai o toa aru. Te ia maire, mo e whanau.
Malo.
Mo e whanau e mo i heni mo whanga mō puna. Roa pē mawa o si mai. Kia te koe lua. Mo e mahi o pē. Kai kia harea le lei. Koe tala pēo ma ofa kia te koe. Kai kia koroa. Kai kia hameta. Koe ofa pē. Ofa pē. Te mo tolong ke toa kau whrau. Mai lawa he kia tini. Koe ki rea no me whakatang whamalo kai.
Malo.
Whakamalo atu. Ia tau ilo pē taim tō hako ai a vai malo. O ku tō ai e ai au mai e pō pāo ki nei afu. Ko ia ko kore ki mo meni pē ko e ni. Ke tuku mai e nau me au wha ki mua ka tau. Hoko a te programa tō e pē tau meni te tahanima me whare ko e ni. Pea ane pē whainga maari e ko e ni. Ke whakau mai e nau o whao. Ko whakaampe, ko osea whailoaki, ka tō whai whailoaki. E ai pē meniti si I ki mua e tau osea pōni, ke whaiha mō whailoaki mō venisi. Ka tū pē mua ke lele te tau polokalama, ke hoko atu e tau polokalama. O ko whakaamu ke whakafofonga e maile he koe ngā koe te hina ene o venisi, ke ne whakahoko hane manatu merie. Hiri pē a venisi, o ko whakawhei e taha ai nisis, o VENISI nai hoko pē koe o fefine o VENISI. Mo lawe I pē na e toko lahi au pito ai whanau ia na e pusiaki whanau ai tunga ane o VENISI na ne ngahi pē hane whanau. Pē koe ki tahine koe ia ko tūlinga. Ko whaamu ke ane whainga maalie ma a tūlinga ke ne whakafofonga mai ai whanau e whakatonga ane ke whai hane manatu melie. Ko ia ko whawhee atu maile, e kai ke tau tatari, te rotonga e whailoaki he api e taimi. Ka taki maile lava mai o whaiho manat merie, ka teu mai he tua maile a tūringa, mo loto lua a whoki, koe taha peia koe ki ofe fine o matani na lava mai me mopuane. Ko whakaampe, ko tūringa pe mo loto lua tene whakafonga mai a whanau e tonga ane mao.
Vamos mole atu kai na ofa kotoa. He apa ki papo. Kai ma ai pekia. Ole ki Maria poma. Ke kai na manatu. Mo hatala o ki tau ke te ko eni. Wow, ka fefine bare au kiere. Wow, mo tau ke te matoi pe tai koto. Kasi to a ke o matehina o pai e ko mia ko. Kai ke ara kolea. Ko manatu pe ki a hona e whaka osia e mo ui a tō tahani. Pe tō pe ki a manatu. Ki a hona e osia e. Nani tau vai ai, nani sita tau vai. Pea whaka mole atu ki he kau. kau papalang ka pe kau mauri ko ala VENISI mo le papalang ke po na ele ko papalang ko ana kai ke ko pukalo om na ika ko fefine to fefine to ilonga pe no ahoy ine na le ine lo ma lo ko aho na ta nge VENISI ko pule ke maulele ange ke no api ko hinga ke wilo ya ko hinga na tange ko ke mawalwa alo atu au ko ai mau pangane peke o ETINA ko kai ai mau pai alo anta ko na ka geneta la ke mau pai ele puke ta ko na puke ke ira ma ko na puke fine so ko ina le amai le amai que tá aqui com a tua nipe maulele se vai mais fefine tá ai que bom mas não vai como mais muito com que Sofrendo, VENISI, correndo mesmo. Tá no calor, só que leva, que tá aqui, eu não tô que mal isso pô, quando eu matar a noa para aí, nesse dia mais tu não anda com isso. Tá lá tu matangi ko ofalai todo fene hanga mai ai fefine tala mai fefine ke o mai mo fai nesi to ki ka ho mai na le wa na busa ki o mai snake kone ho mai pe snake matapa na ni ka po na si o ka pe ta ke te ni ka ni po ki ana ta ka ta ni pe mani pe ani mam ke la wa ya so mo to ki lo ya na ma ki ya foi mai le wa ni le ka ma to o fa va ya tu ke moto ka ya ki lo tu ko o ki ka ki la necesita que eu vá e vai fefine quando de fefine anga moco o kai peguei aí ande ita bem aí ande lea lahi mai ka mau he kai mo mata la ho ia ka koi a honi ko ali me ko to ai e mo vale kai que ilo me ai bem mo e mo si Opo ano yung pelelay ko to. Opo lahat si kaya opo ko to. Opo to tapket. Alwa pag ano ko yung pelelay ko to. Pero kung may naulugas nga yung ano pa mo kaya opo ay pehe mawa ato. Opo lahat ang motor. Opo lahat si kaya.
Lo pe ta ke te VENISI me ape ho whakalake pākai hoko atu pe manatu melie ko whakawhei atu atu linga kau maalo tolua ko whanau e ne aua tonga ane o VENISI na ne ofa pe na ua hange pe hana whanau ange whainga pāri ki na ua pe hiri ia te tau toki hoko atu mahalo toe pe minit pe nima hiri e vahe koe everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank our Heavenly Father for bringing us here today. For bringing us here to celebrate our auntie. My name is Tulinga Ashley Vanessa FONUA Samuel. VENISI named me. To our Tonga people, they know me as Tulinga. But to everyone else, she called me Ashley. So I grew up. Everyone asks me, what's your name? My name is Ashley. I held on to that name because that was Auntie's favorite English name. Auntie, we love you. Thank you very much for all your love and support throughout our lives. Thank you for taking care of all of us, for looking after us. We wouldn't be where we are today if it weren't for you. We love you, and we pray that one day we will become as grand and thirsty as we were.
Sorry, I'm just going to speak in English. Hello everyone. My name is Apisia. I'm Auntie VENISI's second oldest niece. VENISI's and nephews, I'm the second eldest. If you knew my auntie or got to know her, you would know my auntie started the fashion trends that you see now. From the bangers, the fringes, the flared hats, tucked in shirts, and the colour-coded attires. That was all you, auntie. In our Tongan culture, we, as her brother's kids, we are at her feet, but we never once saw our auntie treat us that way. She would always hold us in the highest regard. Whenever our fathers would say no, auntie would always say yes. She was our safe haven and always our confidant. Auntie, we will miss you so much. We will never see that big smile waiting at the door with your bear hugs. But that's okay. I know Uncle Shane will take over that role. Say hi to our Papa. Say hi to our cousin Albert. We will miss you guys. And I hope that one day we will all meet each other again. We love you and we miss you. Awhalaiatu.
I know that most of you are wondering why the husband is not sharing and have given him the opportunity and the daughter, but they're grieving. So we must respect that. They're not able to stand before you. So in the last few minutes, I would like to share and pay my tribute and say thank you to VENISI. VENISI's late father, Sonny FONUA, and my father, Deli FONUA, are first cousins. But in the Tongan culture, there's no such term as cousins, sisters. I grew up with VENISI in Vava'o before we both moved here in the 80s. We grew up in Auckland. I'm the oldest in my family, but VENISI was the big sister for me and my siblings. And I know that it's shared by all the FONUA cousins here. VENISI was the big sister that we relied on for advice. With family gatherings, VENISI would organize and round out the family, the cousins. It's heartbreaking, and I'm trying to put a brave face here. I only learned of VENISI's passing on Saturday night when she passed. I had no idea that she was ill. VENISI, I'm going to miss you. We looked up to you. You led our family. I don't know if any of us can fill your shoes, but I promise you, I will try to continue the work that you have done by keeping our family together. VENISI o ko ofa la hea tuka te koe. O ko honga ia I ho ofa. Mo popo mo I tuta whaaki aki mautolo. Nake hoko pe koe tau kete. Manatu Belia, if I want to share something, I remember the good old days when we were at university. My father wouldn't trust us to go out with anyone but VENISI. It showed how trustworthy she was. Our father respected her. That's someone that we can count on. And each time that my sisters and I would want to go out, we'll say to Dad, Dad, want to go visit VENISI? And of course, Dad will say yes. VENISI, you were the maid of honor at my sister Happy's wedding. You were the maid of honor at my wedding. You were always there at family events, looking through the photo albums that we have, and I'm sure that shared by many of the FONUA cousins here, VENISI was there. At the christening of our children, at the birthdays of our children, VENISI was there. VENISI o ko ofa hea te te koe. Ka pao na ke mo ui te talabai stop crying to fui. Tuku e tangi. But I know for sure, ke os mao koe ho, no foanga koe, whakawhi ao ke tui o langi. Ko ilo pe ai aho te tau whetau laki ai. We will meet again. This is not the end. This is the beginning. I know it's very hard for us family to let her go, just as much as for me to let her go. But I know that the calling of our God is the most holy one. And I know that she's looking down at us, family. VENISI, we love you. I send the regards and the love of my sisters in Australia and the rest of our family in Vava'o, Aloi Talau, Halamalo Talau. On behalf of all your family, the FONUA family, I wish you could be here to see the thousands, the hundreds of people have come far to pay their farewell. Since the passing of VENISI, I've seen hundreds of people coming to her home in Manarewa. That's evident of the woman that we are farewelling tonight. He had such a big heart. She was selfless. She was kind, not just to her friends and families, to anyone that she meets. Let's hold on to those memories. VENISI, I farewell you to that glorious morning. Ofalahi atu, and please send my love to my dad, Deli FONUA, and I'm sure Dad and Sione FONUA are welcoming you, waiting for you. We will dearly miss you, VENISI. And I know that your husband and your daughter will miss you dearly. Thank you. Mahalo au pito e ofa kotoa VENISI mo tasi pinga lelei kaki mautolu whanau. Te waho folau. Tau tok whi loaki pe I he mani. Mahalo. Ko kole pe ki he ulumotua ke ne whakaosi pe ko hai te ne whakaosi aki ai closing prayer he whiawhini pe ko tau lawa ia mo tala I ho tau tutu ni. Mahalo.
Mahalo apito.
For our guests and visitors who are here, the announcement is made by the Ulumotua of the family. The program for tomorrow, 11 o'clock, there'll be a service here, the final service. You're most welcome to attend, and following that, the burial will be held at the Manukau Memorial Gardens. Thank you.